हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू योर ऑन चैनल। आज हम पैकेजिंग डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे। एज वी नो, डिज़ाइनिंग एनी पैकेज देयर मस्ट बी गुड कोऑर्डिनेशन बिटवीन मार्केटिंग, सेल्स एंड प्रोडक्शन टीम to make the successful and profitable product launch. Here are development process steps which we should follow during designing. Definition of product properties. We must very clear about product properties. Next is technical and functional requirement of the package, design and style, legal requirements which should be followed during designing, money available for the development, packaging testing, technical quality test, consumer acceptance, economic feasibility, and decision whether to test market or not. So, product properties influence packaging development. First of all, the general character of the product should be considered. There is whether the product is food, drug, cosmetic, beverage, chemical, machine part, etc. Whatever may be the product is, different products may have different packaging legislation to comply with, such as Commodity Act, Weights, Measures Act, and there must be understood right from the beginning. So other aspects need to consider like physical form. This is important in the development of packaging. For example, packaging requirement is bulk or small unit, solid, liquid, gas, or a combination of these. In this case, if product is solid, it is in powder form or granule form, and if the product is liquid, it is thin or viscous. So product properties need to be considered. Second is special properties. Special properties of the product such as heat, light sensitivity, gas barrier requirements, moisture protection, etc. These things must be considered. Similarly, certain food products are susceptible to insect infestation. The pack should provide protection against these hazards. So next is packaging relation to product manufacture. Certain product parameters may be different from others and affect speed. So packaging development manager must be fully conversant with the production process to anticipate packaging constraint. Production team के साथ coordinate करके we should design our packs such that it should be easy to run on machines. Next is marketing requirements. It is usual practice for the marketing department to demand fancy and expensive packaging. Packaging development manager must be aware of these requirements from the start of any process. He should design the pack as closely as possible market requirements keep in view, and also properties, functional properties and cost. Next is packaging and productivity. So productivity is also important as per our available equipment and easy to operate. For instance, the speed of packaging can influence production output. Next is design selection. From engineering point of view, package must be designed within technical feasibilities and design must be consumer friendly. Evaluation of pack. Along with self-test evaluation, packaging also undergo evaluation, travel test, drop test, etc. Cost reduction can be effected after studying the product in the market for a period of time and judging whether the pack is over-designed. Also analyze the product for shortcomings of design and correct it earliest. So this is a kind of checklist. First is project management and coordination. Have a formal system of introduction of change. Is it essential to involve all disciplines at the early stage? A project leader and team should be appointed even for small project and small organization. Draw a critical path. Production and production planning must be represented in the project team. Use a checklist in the early stage of the project. It is essential to ask the right questions from early stage of the project. Can the marketing brief be met in production? What alternations should be made to achieve national production? How should the package be produced? Contract packaging है, in-house है, third party, etc. or loan license. Plan for success. If the package is successful, how will you meet the sales and marketing demands to follow? Production planning. It is vital. Are all the resources of men, material, and machine available in the right place at right time? It must be considered. Packaging specifications. Write a package specification as soon as possible, even if frequent updating is required. Marketing philosophy. To achieve progress in this specific project, it is necessary to know how this fits in with overall long-term plans of marketing department and capital investing program. Product life. The market life of the proposed new product can influence choice of production equipment. Production equipment decide as early as possible if new or existing equipment or a mixture is going to be used for production. System approach. It is best to purchase all the equipment from one supplier, possibly the package supplier. Monoblock machines. For high-speed lines capable of performing the complete production operations, for example, form, fill, seal, are good choice. Integration approach. Would it be best to link the best machine from the number of manufacturers to provide the most versatile and technically advanced production line? Would the product modification allow a more efficient production operation? Is there a firm product specification, viscosity, density, corrosivity, etc.? The market. Is the market plan known? The quantities required, with rates, what size are needed now, later, and what are the future plans? The plant. Do we know where the production location is? Are the facilities required are available? Space, utility, manpower, etc. Are required persons available in both quality and numbers? The package. Is package correctly specified? What changes may be required in future? Should the package be altered to improve production? Selection and layout of packaging lines. Cost is not the only factor. Selection of machines. Be clear about factors affecting machinery cost. Have a clear contract and ordering procedure. Review the project to determine whether the objective has been or are being met at the earliest appropriate time. So dear friends, this is the whole process of packaging development. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.